So good afternoon friends, I am with Dharya again and we are preparing for the Olympiad exam and we will try to solve this question paper to prepare her for the exam. Okay, so we are going to solve this exam and we are going to take all the questions one by one and we will try to solve it. And this is very important when you are having exam for the Olympiad. You need to read all the questions very carefully. Okay, if you are not reading your questions,
we might have a problem and it will be a wrong answer.
Exactly, it might lead you to the wrong answer if you're not reading your questions carefully. Okay.
Properly or carefully.
So we'll start with the first question.
Yes.
Latika, Monica and Sonika are sitting in a row. Latika is sitting between Monica and Sonika. Which of the following is the correct order? So Dhavya, can you tell me what will be the correct answer? A, B, C and D.
C is the answer because Latika is in the middle.
So exactly right. So what you need to do is, when it is written very clearly that Latika is sitting between Monica and Sonika, you have to just look out for the options where Latika is showing in the middle and which is C. So correct answer, Dharya. Nice.
Yep.
So second question, we'll go to the second question. The shape of this football is looking like dash. You have 4 options. First is cone.
You have 4 options?
Yeah, cone, cylinder, sphere and cube. So can you tell me what is the right answer?
Again C because it's square.
So yes, as in our last video we have studied about the shapes, which is the 3D shapes and the flat shapes. So this is basically a 3D shape.
So it's square, not circle.
So it's a sphere and we don't need to confuse between the 2D shape and the 3D shapes once again.
Because we had already done that video.
So now the correct answer is C, which is sphere. Good,
yes.
Excellent. So we will come down to the third question. Which figure is in the center? Okay, so can you tell me which figure is in the center? We have this figure A, B, C and D. And they want us to know which figure is in the center. Can you tell me what is the correct answer?
The house.
And how you know that?
Because I can just see this picture. It's going to be safe.
So exactly, what you need to do is, you need to see what is in the middle of that and you need to match that figure with the options A, B, C and D. And you can clearly see that.
The answer is B.
So the answer is B, which is correct. Nice. Now we'll come down to the fourth question.
It's kind of easy.
Okay, which of the following objects can hold maximum amount of water?
That's easy.
So we have A, which is looking like a bucket, B, which is looking like a glass, C, which is looking like a
bottle,
thermos, and D, which is looking like a flask. So can you tell me, Daria, what will be the right answer?
A.
Obviously, so we have A as an answer because A is the biggest
of all and
objects and it can hold maximum amount of water. So
you
have to
all of these.
So what you need to do is you need to just read the question carefully and you have to use the logic and you will reach to the correct answer. That's nice. So next question, fifth question. Which of the following shows a correct descending order?
Descending order?
So as I have told you, you know what is a descending order and what is ascending order, Daria?
No.
I think I have already taught you this.
Mm-mm.
So to solve this question, first of all, you should know that what is descending order.
Yeah.
One is what is ascending order. Okay. So let's open the paint application and I'll just try to show you that. So let's say descending
order
and we have other one is
order.
Ascending.
Descending and ascending.
So basically when we are talking about the descending order, okay, what we should understand, in the descending order, first number which is coming will be the largest number in that descending order. For example, if we have two numbers like 10 and 9, so first if we are putting them in the descending order, the largest order number will be first. So if we are talking about 10 and 9, so 10 will be the first number and next will be the 9, which is lower number. Same numbers if you want to put in the ascending order, so the first number will come
20.
No, we have only two options, 9 or 10. So what if we want to put this in ascending order, how it will be?
9, then 10.
Yeah, because 9 is the smallest number and 10 is a higher number.
Highest number.
So we can remember like this, descending and ascending means descending starting from D, which is the highest letter from A coming after D. So that's why largest number will come first and the lowest number will come after it. Okay, in case of ascending order, smallest number will come first and largest number will come after that.
Okay.
So can you tell me now what is the descending order?
Descending order, like, can you give me some numbers?
For example, let's take as 6 and 7.
6 and 7. Okay.
And I want to put these numbers in the descending order. So first, which number will come? Tell me.
In descending order,
Yeah.
I choose 7.
Exactly.
Because it's a bigger number.
So bigger number will come next and the smallest number will come after that. Okay. Now we'll go back to our question and we'll try to solve it. So they are asking which of the following shows a correct descending order.
Descending
Now
order
can you tell me?
Yep.
Tell me. So look out at all the options and then you tell me what is the correct descending order. Look.
I think so. A.
Have you seen all the options carefully, Osho? Please, can you see the options, all the options carefully and then tell me? Okay, I'll help you out. So we have A, in which these are the numbers 10. After that they have put 12, 13 and 15. Okay. So is this is in the descending order? No, because 15 is coming down and 10 is coming above, whereas the highest number should be on the top. Okay, so this is wrong. Let's check out this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, which is looking, what do you think? It's fine?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Why?
Because the highest number is coming up.
Okay, that's good. We can
So
say
I
that.
choose B.
Yeah,
the
we can,
correct
let's check
answer.
out other two options also that we are having, which is
Then
C.
can I say the correct answer?
Yeah, let's see. Can you check the C series if the descending order is correct or not? 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh, wrong. 18 should be up.
Yeah, exactly. 18 should be up if it's a correct order. Let's check out D. 20, 19, 17, 25.
25 should be up and 20 should be down.
So we reach a conclusion that the B is the correct answer.
Yep.
Okay, that's great. So B is the
Correct answer.
correct answer. Okay, let's move over to the
Not there.
next. Oh, Froggy is here. The
Aww.
question is, the frog that they made a picture can jump 2 steps at a time.
Huh? Yeah.
A frog can jump 2 steps at a time.
True.
If it is at the 5th step, where it will be after 2 jumps? That is the question. Okay. So for example, we are having a number. So can you please check and let me know what will be the correct answer? Have you understood the question? Okay. So for example, we need to draw a number line.
To draw this. I think a number line is easy to draw. Right? Why don't you do it maximize? That's so
Okay.
easy. What is that line? Why are your lines?
I'm just trying to draw some number lines. Very easy. Okay.
That's
So for
too
example,
easy.
for example,
Alright, that's the right way.
for example, let's say you are having one froggy which is here, okay, at this place, and now the
Turn
froggy
up.
can jump 2 steps at a time as per your question. So froggy will jump, dish, dish, he will come here. Second time when he will jump, again he will jump 2 steps, dish, dish, 2 steps. So that's what the question is telling. If you look at the question, the frog can jump 2 steps at a time. So now they are telling your frog is sitting on 5th step. So where it will be after 2 jumps. So if it is taking 2 steps at a time, okay, so if he is taking 2 jumps, where he will be? Okay,
Again, 2 jumps.
yeah, he is jumping 2 steps. So he is on the 5th right now. So can you tell me by seeing this number line what will be the exact answer?
By seeing this
Just
number
like
line,
let's like a look at the
just like this line, I just feel it's 9.
Okay,
My answer is 9.
so what will be the correct answer?
9.
A, B,
A.
C, D. A.
A.
And why you feel it will be 9?
Because I feel it's 9 from
Why?
inside.
Not inside, you have to give the logic. Whatever answer we are selecting, we need to have a logic behind it. It's not like we are feeling. Okay, so tell me, what is your logic for A?
For A, I feel that the frog is here. I got 5.
5, okay.
It'll just do 2 and it's 9. He got 9.
Okay, so it seems like it is A is the answer because frog is sitting on the 5th. He can jump 2 steps at a time. So he jumped from 6 to 7, 1 step, and he jumps from 8 to 9. So it's look correct. Let's examine all the other options.
Yeah,
Okay.
then we'll say that correct.
Okay, so B, what do you think? Frog is sitting at 5 and it is reaching 2 jumps and reaching 7. So do you think it is correct?
No.
Why?
Because the frog actually is at the frog should be at 9 because it should be jumping 2 steps.
So as per the question, it should jump 2 steps at a time, where in this B option it is jumping only 1 step. So this is not an answer. Let's see C1. What do you think about C option?
C option I also say wrong
Why?
because the frog is at the left hand side.
Okay, but it can jump in any direction. That is not a problem. It's just chilling. It is jumping.
But it's only one jump.
So it is doing only 1 step at a time, which is wrong. So this is not an answer.
Same way as
Again,
the B.
we'll see at a D option. And we have a look on it where again it is jumping only one step. So D is also not an answer. So our answer is
A.
which is the correct answer, Dhavya. Okay.
A.
Nice. I'm happy about you. Let's move over to the next question.
Next question.
So 4 friends are celebrating their birthdays. The candles on cake show their ages. Okay. Who is the eldest? Okay. So can you tell me? First is A, B, C, D. They are telling 4 children are there and
What are their names?
they are celebrating. Names is written Ankit, Parul, Ruchi, Anu, and they are telling the number of candles is showing their age. So who is the eldest? Eldest means
Pile. Pile is eldest.
Payal,
Yeah. He has the most candles.
not Payal, Parul.
Parul, okay.
So can you count how many candles she is having?
She is having or he's a boy. It's a boy.
Parul is a boy. Okay, how many candles Parul is having?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay, so
Rest of them is having A is having 4 and the C is having 2 and Anu is having 3.
okay, so the eldest is Parul. That is the correct answer. Congratulations. We'll move over to the next question. Sonali bought the following items. Okay. Sonali bought the following items. It seems there are some colors, which is rupees 10. She bought eraser, which is rupees 2. She bought football, which is rupees 5. How much money did she spend? Can you tell me?
Yep.
How?
I choose It's kind of hard question, but I choose 12. She's spending 12.
How she is spending 12?
I think that's a wrong answer.
I'm not saying it is wrong or right, but exactly what you need to do in this question. Do you understand that?
No, I don't understand the question.
They are telling that Sonali, she's a girl, she bought colors, rubber band, rubber eraser, and she bought a football. She bought three things. She paid for colors 10 rupees, eraser she bought 2 rupees, and football she bought 5 rupees. So how much money she spent? So what we need to do? How much total money she spent buying these three items? So what we need to do?
What is 10
Colors
plus 12? It's kind of easy question.
10 plus 12.
Yeah.
How?
10 plus 12. Then add more.
From where 12 is coming?
No, I mean 10 plus 2.
Plus
2.
then
Then add more. Then add 5 to it.
then add it.
My answer.
So exactly what we need to do here is we need to add all these three items to reach our conclusion that how much total money she spent.
True.
So now you have to do the addition. 10 plus 2 plus 5. So
What? That's kind of.
can you tell me how much it will come?
Let me try.
Mm-hmm.
And the first answer is 12.
Okay.
12 is the answer for this.
Mm-hmm.
But if I add 5 more, I'll add 5 more. So 13, 14, 15, and 16, 17, 18. 18.
We have to add only 5.
Yeah, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how much? What is the answer?
I think 18 is the answer.
How? You are adding
Let me
9.
wait. Let me. What? Tell the questions. So,
10 plus 2 plus 5.
10 plus 2 plus 5. Let me see. 10 over 2. It'll be 12.
Okay.
First it'll be 12.
Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12, then 20 plus 5 is how much?
Then I'll add 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So 17 is the answer.
Can you have a look at the options? Do we have 17 as the option?
Yep, we do.
So, which is which one?
17.
D.
D is the answer.
So D is the correct answer.
Yep.
You
So
understood?
let me write the answer. 17.
You understood what you have to do?
Yep.
Okay, next question.
These are kind of easy questions.
So next question is ninth question. Which toffee gives the answer smaller than 7?
Huh?
Okay. So
Given
let's gives the
ra-
answer smaller than 7. Okay.
the answer smaller than 7.
So what we need to do is we need to solve A, B, C, D first of all, and we need to check all these 4 answers, and we need to check
What
which
is
is
the correct?
which is the correct answer, which is smaller than 7. So let's start. So first is 2 plus 7. So 2 plus 7 is how much?
2 plus 7. 2. Can you write the 2 plus 7? 2 plus 9 is the answer. Really? 9.
Next topic is 9 minus 2.
9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 8.
Wrong.
What about... I don't have to minus 9, right?
9 minus 2.
7.
Correct. 8 minus 2.
8 minus 2. 8. 6.
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3. 8.
So now the question is, which toffee gives you the answer smaller than 7? Okay, so we have all the four answers: 9, 7, 6 and 8. So what will be the correct answer?
What is lesser than 7?
Yeah,
6.
6. So it is, which toffee it is? 8 minus 2, C toffee. So which is our answer?
C.
So our answer is C. Okay, so you might get these kind of a questions in the question paper where the examiner can ask to have a 4 kind of a toffee or options, and they might ask that tell me which answer is smaller than 7, or they can ask which number is greater than 7, greater than 9, or 9 equal to 9. So you should know, first of all you need to solve all the options, and then we need to find out what is should be the exact answer. Okay, so let's move over to the next question.
What's the next question?
Next question is, given 2 baskets showing the number of apples. Okay, so which of the following statement is correct?
What?
Which is the following statement is correct?
Statement?
Means there are 4 options and you need to check the correct the right answer. Okay,
Yeah.
so they're asking, so let's count first of all. In this kind of a questions we can count how many apples are in basket X and how many apples are in basket Y. Okay, so let's start. So in the basket X, how many apples are there? Can you count?
Basket X.
How many apples are there in basket
6.
X? So we have 6 apples in basket X. And basket Y, how many apples are there?
Again 6.
Oh, so it's equal. So let's read out the statements and find out what is the correct. Okay, so 8 is telling basket X has 2 more apples than basket Y. Is it correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, B option is basket Y has more apples than basket X.
What?
Is it correct or wrong?
Wrong.
C, both X and Y have equal apples.
True.
So this is true. Let's read out D also. Basket Y has 1 apple less than basket X.
False.
So what is our answer?
C.
So C is the correct answer. So these kind of a questions you might get where the examiner will ask you to count something and he will tell something statement and you need to read and select the correct one. Okay, easy. Next let's go to 11th. Okay, a chocolate cost 25.
Okay.
Gia has only 13 now. How much more money does she need to buy the chocolate?
What? I don't understand.
The chocolate cost 25 rupees. Gia has only 13 rupees. How much more money does she need to buy the chocolate? So what we need to do first of all, we should know
We should add
why we should add.
because we should add how many more she needs. So it's plus.
But that what they are asking, that how much more money she needs. The cost of the chocolate is only 25.
Yep.
So you have to imagine that you are buying a chocolate and you have 25 rupees. The cost of it is 25. So you have to give this money to somebody to buy the chocolate. Then, but right now you are only having how much? 13. Okay. So how much more money you need to buy that chocolate? So what we are going to do?
30. We should add some more to it to make 25.
Exactly. So what we need
That's
to
why
do?
it's adding. That's why I told.
So how much we will add in 13 to make it 25? Tell me.
I'm not sure. I think it's. Can you read out the the answers for me?
You don't know how to do this?
No, the answers. Can you read out?
Answer is first answer is A 10, B 12, C 13 and D is 20. But what you need to do is you need to make your counting and you need to find out what is the exact answer.
Maybe it's 10 more.
No, you cannot take maybe. You have to calculate yourself. This is mathematics. So how we can do is, so what we will do is, how much money you have?
13.
13. So you can do one thing. You can take a piece of paper. Okay. You can take a piece of paper. And you can draw 13 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 13 you're having.
Yeah.
So how much you have to make? 25.
Yes.
So we'll start making more sticks to reach it to 25. So 13 we already have. Let's start. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21.
Oi, you have made it wrong. So we have already 13,
Yeah.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So what we will do now, the sticks that we have made, now we have to count these sticks. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I think it's now.
So the 12 is the answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think now it's
So you can do like this. Whenever you need to find out how much more we need to add, we can just make the number of sticks that you are having, money you are having, and how much more is required. You just start drawing and counting, and when you reach the number 25, you just count how much sticks we have made new, and then we can count it, and then you will get your answer. Okay.
But now I think it's 12 after doing this.
Exactly. So our answer is 12.
12.
This is B.
B's answer.
There is another way to solve the same question. If you subtract 25 from 13, also you will get your answer, because you already have 13. We have to give how many to the shopkeeper? 25. So if we can subtract 13, you will get your answer. You understand? So there is another way to do it. For example, instead of making like this, another easy method is, you can just make 25 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. And so how much you have? 13 you have. So we have to subtract 13 from here. So subtract 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And how much is left? We can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is our answer. So both the ways you can do it very easily. You understood?
So 12 is the answer, I guess.
Okay, so you can get same kind of a question in the exam, where they will ask you the same question in different ways, and you should know what you have to do.
Yep.
Next question. Chintu has 24 balls. He gives 2 balls to his sister. How many balls does Chintu have now?
Okay.
So what we have to do? First of all,
Okay. Chintu have 24 balls.
yeah.
He gave 2 to his sister. How many more are left, right? 24. 24 he has. He gave
2
to his sister. How many more are left?
So what we need to do here? So what we need to do here? What is the logic that we are using?
4 more 20. Wait.
Now first of all, let's discuss the logic. What you are trying to do here? You are trying to add, you are trying to subtract. What you have to do?
Add.
You have to add.
Subtract.
You have to subtract. Think about it and tell me.
We have to add. because we have to minus, because he gave how many to his sister? He gave to his sister.
Okay.
And how many more he have, that we have to count. So it's subtraction.
Okay, so we have to subtract 2 from 24. So can you make the subtraction?
No.
Why? Just 2 you need to reduce, just
Yeah.
back counting.
It's kind of easy.
Yeah, do it.
Can you draw 24 lines?
See, that is also we can do, but it's a very small number. You can just back count 2 times. It's easy.
We can do it with our fingers.
Yeah, do it then.
Okay. Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, not like that. You have to only back count how much. 24 you make in your mind, and 2 you have to just go back count. Do it.
He has 24 he has, yeah. But actually I think it's only 24 here.
Okay, so the answer is we need to reduce, right? So one option is you can just go back counting 24. You take first of all take 2, 24 you keep in mind, and it like 24 is gone, 23 is gone, and how many is left?
22.
22 is left. If it is 11
Yeah,
squeezy.
22.
So we have the answer as A. Another, if you are not able to do like this, you can again go back to our earlier methods, okay, where you can just quickly draw sticks on a paper. How many sticks? 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And 2 sticks you just cut it down and you just count number of sticks left, so it will be 22. Okay, so these are the 2 easy methods. Whatever method you choose, you can choose it. Okay, but the back counting method is more easier. Next question is the total height of both the trees is together is. So they are showing 2 trees and they are asking what is the total height, 30 meter and 10 m. So what we need to do here, first of all, what is the logic? Logic means what we have to do with this. There are 2 trees and they are asking what is the total height of both the trees together.
What is the longer?
Where it is written longer.
Longer.
Together.
Oh, together. I saw longer.
No. So what we need to do here?
This. You have to sit on it.
Tell me what we need to do here.
I think it's too hard question.
How it is hard? For example, there are 2 trees. Okay, one name is Gada, one name is Arya, and one height is 5 meter, another height is 5 meter, and I am asking what is the total height together. So what we need to do?
We add the smaller tree to the bigger tree.
Exactly. So we have to add these numbers. So if you add 30 and 10, how much?
How much? So 30. Now add
10.
10 more.
So add it.
So I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Yeah. So add it to 30.
To 30. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 40 will be the answer.
So we have to select. Just check out what is the 40. Where do we have 40 as an answer?
Yep, we do.
Where it is?
B is the answer.
So B is the correct answer.
Yep.
Okay. So the examiner can ask such kind of a questions where it will ask you that what is the difference between the height or what is the total height. If it's a difference, we need to minus. If it's a total height, we need to add this up. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. So next we have another 2 questions which are the most easiest questions. We have abacus on place represents 20 less than 69.
What is lesser than 69?
So here we have abacus. In the abacus we have tens and ones, tens and ones, tens and ones, tens and ones. So it's first of all we need to have a logic on place. Logic means what we need to do with this. So we have abacus which represents 20 less than 69. So we should know how much is 20 less than 69. How much?
But I use the C.
So what is the logic? What do we need to do? Plus, minus, or what?
Minus?
Yeah, exactly. Because it's asking 20 less than 69. So we need to minus 20 from 69. So can you minus 69 from 20 from 69? So can you minus 69 20 from 69? Can you do it?
20 from 69 after minus.
Yeah.
20. I
Yeah,
minused. 20 I have to now. 20 I just got.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay. So you have two options here, Osho. One is you can back count from 69 20 times. Okay.
20 I only have.
Because you haven't done the double digit subtraction till now.
Huh?
So we haven't studied the double digit subtraction till now. So the only option you are having is you have to go 20 steps back from 69, which you can easily do with the help of a sticks. Okay.
What?
So what we'll do is we will go back to our stick method. Okay. And what is the lesson number? 20. So we'll do 26 we will make. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay. So and we have to count 20 back from 69. Okay. So here we are at 69. Let's start counting. What is 69? 68,
67, 68,
67, 66,
66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 50,
60.
60.
Again count. So we have started from 69 and we have reached 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. Then again count back.
Yep.
How much? 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50,
9,
50.
50.
So we have 60 minus 20 is how much? 49. Because we have reached till 50. So 50 we minus, how much is left? 49. Okay. So now we need to see which abacus is representing 59.
What?
So in this abacus, tens and ones are there. So 59 is having how many tens and ones you should know. Sorry, 49. I'm sorry, 49. 49 is having how many tens and ones. So can you tell me in the 49 how many tens and ones are there?
I guess B. Yes.
Why are you guessing? You have to use the logic. There's no guessing work in the mathematics. Okay. So in the 49, how many tens and ones are there?
In 49.
Yeah.
In 49, 4 is ones and tens is 9.
So 4 is a tens and 9 is a ones. Okay. So we need to check and count in which abacus we are having a 4 tens and 9 ones. Okay. So just check out first one. So it's having 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 9 is how many? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 9, 49 is here. Let's check out other options. So here how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having 5 tens, so this is wrong. C, we are having only 2 tens, this is wrong. And D, we are already having more than 5 tens, so this is also wrong. So what is the correct answer now?
A.
A is the correct answer. So these kind of questions will come obviously where they will try to understand from the students that do you really know the subtraction or addition, and do you know the concept of tens and ones. Okay. So first of all, any question you are reading, first of all you have to understand the logic that in this question we need to do subtraction or we need to do addition. Okay. And once you know that, that you have to do subtraction addition, do that and then look out for the right answer from the options.
So let's go to the next question.
Exactly. So this is the last question for this paper. How many birds are there in the given picture?
That's easy. Just count how
First
many
of all,
birds.
So can you count how many birds we are having
Yeah,
in this picture?
just give me the mouse. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 birds.
I think you are not counting correctly. Can you please count it again?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have 8
birds.
birds. Now we know how many birds. Let's look out for the option. So first option is it's telling 8 tens minus 4 ones, 40 ones.
I think it's true.
It's true.
It's false.
So 80 tens minus 40 ones means it's talking about 80 minus 40, which is
No. It's false.
wrong answer.
Wrong.
Then look out for B, which is 2 tens plus 18 ones.
Sorry.
This is also wrong. Let's look out for C options. 18 ones minus 10 ones. So is it correct?
No.
Why?
Because it's 18 and 10 is additive.
No, it's minus. It is written minus.
Yep. And it's minus.
So 18 minus 10 is how much?
18 I have. Like draw 18.
So you have to draw and go back to the method of sticks. You have to draw 18. Actually, you have to calculate all the options. Okay. But as if we are trying for first of all C. So we'll go back to the paint method and we'll draw how many sticks? 18 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8.
8,
So we have 18 sticks. Hence, how many sticks we need to reduce? 8. Sorry, 10.
10. Oh.
Yeah, 10. So let's reduce 10. So 10 is on the top. Let's cut all of them.
Yeah.
So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 8 is ours.
So our correct answer is C.
But let's also read the.
So obviously we have to calculate all the options because we are running short of a time. So I'm just finishing it off. The last option is 12 ones plus 4 tens, which is like 12 plus 40, which is coming around 52, which is wrong. So the right answer is C. So you have to be very careful when you are solving the question paper, especially for the mathematics. So the first step is that first of all we should read all the questions. Okay, then we should apply the logic, then we look out for the options, and then we have to select the right option. Okay, this is the logic. If you are not following this step, your answer will be wrong. Do not do any guesswork. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so thank you very much all of you. Bye bye and have a good day.